Guys, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and I just want to go quickly over one component of the version 9.0 upgrade, and that is the web. So the first thing I looked at is YouTube, and just want to let you know that you cannot watch YouTube driving or parking. You cannot watch it. YouTube is not going to allow, Tesla is not going to allow to let you watch any videos, because they will assume that you may watch it while you're driving. So that purpose is defeated. But other than that, you can go to any, for example, here's tesla.com. You can go to their website, and you can just do whatever it is that you would normally do on any website. I'm now it's fast right now, as you see, because I'm at home on the garage, and I'm on my Wi-Fi. Let me show you. I'm on my Wi-Fi network, so you can see right here. So it does go fast. All right, so that's really good. So one thing I discovered, I tried an Israeli website, ynet.co.il. If you're an Israeli, you probably know where I'm trying to go. But look what happens. I'm going to try to figure it out, but look what happened. I went to a Hebrew script, and then there's no Hebrew. It's mumbo jumbo. It's no, you cannot see any Hebrew. Let's see if I can watch this video. What do you think? He's going to let me? I don't think so. All right, no, nothing, no response. No response whatsoever. So I don't know if it will do it in other languages, but when I went to this Hebrew website, it did not allow me to do that. So far it looks like it's only reading English content or things like that. Let's try one more. CNN.com. Let's see what happens when you go there. So you don't have to do the www. It's the way it is. And the nice part is you can save it if you want. So let's give it a heart and add to favorites. Let's go to favorites. And now you can take it out if you'd like. Exit. Or you can go to it when you are back. You see that? So that is very nice. All right, guys. That's a quick web surf on the web app. I have to tell you that for a couple of days it didn't work, not in Wi-Fi and not on 4G. So let me know if it happened to you. It's like it was on and off. It had issues. All right, so that's that for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow with another episode.